So I baked this thing for a couple weeks at below 200 degrees Fahrenheit to drive off all the moisture. And this stuff was rock hard, rock hard. So I figured, I had it pretty well dry. And then I took it up to 350 and the heat started warping this tube up and away. And I put it up to 500 to cure it like it says, and then I started getting all these bubbles. It'll still work just fine, it just don't look nowhere near as pretty. That should be 3 psi. Thanks for watching. You see the way I've been putting a damper on my videos, but I got quite a few in the works coming up, and spent a lot of time at Dan's trying some new things out, potential video topics, and plan on getting quite a few of those to y'all in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching my content. Thanks for sticking around. Have a good day. 3 psi. Warming the shop up nice.